Large losses of Tor-M2s in Ukraine have forced Russia to sign a new agreement for the supply of short-range surface-to-air missile systems. The Russian Defense Ministry has signed a contract with the Izhevsk Electromechanical Plant Kupol. The details of the agreement are not specified at the moment. The cost of one surface-to-air missile system is estimated at $25 million. According to Oryx analysts, there is photo and video evidence that the Russian army has lost more than 20 air defense systems since February 24, 2022, including the very rare Tor-M2 optimized for operation in harsh Arctic conditions. Tor-M2 is a modernized Russian surface-to-air missile system that appeared in 2016. It is capable of shooting down aerial threats at a range of up to 12 kilometers with an altitude range of up to 10 kilometers, while the radar station detects targets within a radius of up to 32 kilometers. Upgraded in 2016, the Tor-M2 is currently the latest version of the surface-to-air missile system. The air defense system has a payload of 16 9M 338 vertical launch anti-aircraft missiles.